Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Friday, July the 7th. And today is day number 46, the summary report. So if you're new, this channel I created to journal and document my trading journey. And as I progress and I'm trying to become a better day trader. And this is my summary report for today. I trade live every day. It is very important to me that I'm fully transparent with you guys. So you will see my profit and loss, my balances every day, and I follow along if that is something that interests you. I appreciate it. Let's just get started. No need to take a lot of time here. Should be able to wrap this one up pretty quickly. Today we had a pretty... So this morning at 8:30, we had this big news come out. CPI came out. We had this huge move up, about 100-point move, and then we retraced all the way back down. Didn't take any trading that time. And then we just had this chop fest choppiness here. So I wasn't really looking to trade in this area. And then took my first trade right here after we pulled back. Entered on this pullback and took my profit right here. Was happy with that trade. Then we consolidated again, and then we pulled back, and again a big reversal here. And after we kind of had a pullback here to the downside, I was looking for a short entry here. And this entry right here, I was pretty terrible entry on my part. I wanted to be up here on my entry, and I was about 5 points away from where I wanted to enter. Completely my fault, just trying to time the market with a limit order, and got filled at a pretty bad spot. So that kind of set the trade up for failure, I felt like, and I was a little bit in profit, and then I had my stop all the way up to these highs. And I know we've talked about this a lot. I feel like this is a reoccurring theme. And I know it's a problem. You don't have to remind me. But yes, I was impatient again. And it seems like I'm always struggling with my patience the most when we kind of do this back and forth price action. I was in profit a little bit, and then I almost got stopped out. Then we went, back down to where I was in profit a little bit, and then it reversed again. And when it started reversing again, I'm like, you know what? I don't like this trade. I'm out, and I just closed it. It was for a very small profit. Basically break even. And then we actually did go all the way up again. I would have been in drawdown again, but we never reached my initial stop loss. And of course, then we sell back down. Would have easily hit my profit target and more. So this goes into one of those, hopefully I will at some point in the near future, hopefully at some point I will learn my lesson. When that will be, no one knows, but it is noted. And I just need to do better at it. What else is there to say? But that was it. Honestly, it was kind of a frustrating day. As you can see, then we made new lows here. We made a perfect double bottom here. And then we had a nice move up. Right here is probably where I was most disappointed again today. We pulled back perfectly to this EMA. And looking back again, I'm like, I had my finger on the trigger on this play, and I was too hesitant, and I don't know why. I haven't really been struggling with being hesitant lately, but today I was, and didn't pull the trigger here. And of course we had a really nice move up. So just, that was frustrating. And then we consolidated here, and then I went to lunch, And it seems like when I go to lunch, the market makes its move. I went to lunch, and when I came back, we were somewhere up here. So I missed all of this move when I went to lunch, and would have had a nice entry here on a pullback, I guess, if I would have taken it. But so just kind of frustrated. I was kind of frustrated. Make sure you don't see my trades here that I took after stream. These were just on my evaluation accounts. I did take 2 trades after stream and capture a little bit of a move. As you can see, my evaluation accounts ended up making 300 something on one of them and 130 on the other 2. So I was happy with that. Capture a little bit of that move down. And but overall today summary was just, I was trying to be patient, okay? And I think there's a fine line between being patient with your setups and then also not being hesitant. And I feel like I was walking that line. I was definitely being hesitant on a couple entries. And then, of course, once you have this big of a move and you miss out, it's really difficult then to try and enter on a bigger pullback or a bigger that it will continue to go higher. And I don't want to be selling up here either. So just kind of sitting on my hands most of the afternoon. But that kind of sums it up. Let's look at the TradeZilla just real quick, if I can find it here. All right, so here we go. Again, we had pretty small profits today. We took 2 trades, $376 in profit. But hey, you know what? It's still better than a red day. So we'll take it and learn from our mistakes, learn from where we can improve on. But that wraps up the week. Of course, we had a short week because of July 4th. But next week, we don't have any holidays or anything like that, thankfully. So hopefully we'll get a full week of trading in. Hopefully we can just keep improving, keep learning. So that's the plan. Also, I do want to mention the Apex 90% discount sale did end at midnight last night, but they do have a new sale at 80% discount that will be going from now until the end of the month. So I think that's awesome. But anyway, that's all I have. Thank you everyone for your subscription, for your support. Follow along, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I appreciate it. But hopefully everyone has a great weekend. Stay safe and God bless.